and Vince and I are on our traditional end of the season hot tent camping trip out to East Rosebud, and the weather is gorgeous, definitely better than our trip up to Timberlake. But yeah, we're just out here enjoying some good food, good friendship, good views. We're gonna go for a hike up East Rosebud tomorrow, and yeah, we did this last year around December time frame, and it was just a lot of fun, so we decided to kind of make it a bit of a tradition. Got back from the little hike. Vince Master Fire Building Skills has the fire going on in the spaceship, otherwise known as our tent, and we're just getting some refreshments and get ready for some awesome dinner. The master at work.
Yeah, I try.
Chef Ramsay ain't got shit on you, man.
Going to town on some onions.
The wilderness adds, I don't know.
It makes it 10 times better.
50% more tasty.
A little added flavor. Everything tastes better in the wilderness.
Do you think everything tastes better, or our standards just go south?
Both.
I'll drink to that.
It's 24 ounces.
Oh, wow. So, pound and a half.
Vince, the master chef, has begun the dinner for night, which is Philly cheesesteak, and while simultaneously torturing Spirit, the dog, who's trying to do quality control. Check. It is toasty warm inside the
It's
spaceship.
definitely a little too warm in here, but this is the price that we have to pay for food safety, I guess.
It's either that or
Normally we come
40
here
degrees outside and the wind.
Yeah, normally we come here end of December when it's
Maybe single digits or teens.
more temperature appropriate for this kind of a meal, but
I mean, I'm still pretty comfy. I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, I can take a layer off if I have to.
You probably don't want me taking a layer off, because I got one layer left. No, I'll leave it.
Actually, you just said here. Cool down a little bit. Yeah, you know, I looked at the
Our goal for this hike was to make it up to Rimrock Lake, where they had just recently installed a brand new bridge after the flooding that occurred 3 years ago. I definitely have to give a huge shout out to the Forest Service crews who spent the last 3 years working to restore this iconic trail after the devastating floods that occurred. Without them, we would not be able to enjoy this beautiful wilderness.
wind, Batman. I didn't think about bringing a windbreaker. It's a little bit higher than it was the last time Vince and I were here. What? First time across the new Rimrock Ridge. This is a nice ridge. Okie dokie. Well, we just had lunch up at Rimrock Lake, and it was far too windy to film up there, so waited until we were back in the trees to do a little video chat here.
As you can tell by this voiceover, I did not in fact finish that thought, mainly because we were entering an icy section and frankly I didn't want to fall on my ass while I was filming. It's happened before, and it's embarrassing. After our lunch up at the beautiful Rimrock Lake, we continued on back down through the flooded out canyon and down through the valley to our campsite waiting below. As we got closer to the trailhead, the already high winds had increased greatly, and we were definitely ready to make it back to camp. Once in camp, we enjoyed some homemade burgers before heading back into town. All in all, it was a great trip, and I definitely love this tradition and look forward to doing it more in the future.